Hi kids, I got my big vat of slime here and I'm going to dig around here and see what I can find. Here I go. Oh, it's so messy and squishy and I think I see something. See what we got. It's a dog. And this is how we spell dog. D-O-G. And that spells dog. Let's dig around and see what else we can come up with in this big vat of slime. Oh, he's so gooky. I think I feel something way down at the bottom. What do we got? What do we got? It's a goat. And this is how we spell goat. G O A T. And that spells goat. Let's dig again. Maybe we can find something else. Oh, I feel something. What do we got this time? Oh, it's a sheep. And this is how we spell sheep. S H E E P. That's how we spell sheep. Okay, let's keep digging. Maybe there's more in here. I feel something again. Oh, I think I feel something. Do I? I do over here. Let's see what it is. I'm excited. Look what that is. A pig. And this is how we spell pig. P I and G. And that spells pig. Let's dig again and see what we can find. I think I found something. Let's see if he comes out. Oh, I got his leg. Oh, look at that. It's a horse. And this is how we spell horse. H O R S E. And that's how we spell horse. Let's dig again. I bet we can find at least one more thing in this goopy slime. I feel something. Here it is. What is it? What is it? I'm so excited. It's a cow. Moo. And this is how we spell cow. C O W. And that's how we spell cow. Moo. Okay, I've dug through and I think that's all I'm going to find in my big slime vat today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to tune in next time.